This conference will now be recorded.
So we are supposed to see automatic posting to profit center, correct?
Yes. Yeah.
Right. Let me, hope my screen is visible.
Yes, it is.
Okay. So automatic profit center posting, that is while processing the revenue, profit center must be picked up by the system automatically. We need not have to give the profit center manually. That is what is the concept behind automatic profit center. So in that, step number 1, assign profit center against sales revenue GL account using OKB9 in order to pick up the profit center by the system automatically while processing sales revenue. Fine. Yeah.
Yeah.
So, yeah, before that, let me ensure the system is in our controlling area, MMI1. Right. So please take down the path. SAP Easy Access, SPRO, Presenter. Click on SAP reference IMG. 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 Controlling, controlling, controlling. Then cost center accounting, cost center accounting. Then actual postings, actual postings, actual postings. Then manual actual postings, manual actual postings, manual actual postings. Then edit automatic account assignment, edit automatic account assignment, edit automatic account assignment. So click on this edit automatic account assignment. Click on edit automatic account assignment. So click on the clock icon beside edit automatic account assignment. Then click on new entries. Click on new entries. Visible?
Yeah.
So click on new entries and give the company code MMI1. Company code MMI1. Then cost element. See, though system says cost element, here we are supposed to give revenue element, that is sales GL account, sales revenue GL account. Okay. So sales revenue GL account is 4 lakhs 2, correct?
Yeah.
So yesterday we have converted sales GL account into revenue element. So that revenue element shall be given. So in the field cost element, give 4 lakhs to, that is sales revenue element. Then here you can see profit center, visible?
Yeah.
So give here profit center. So whatever the profit center you want to give, that profit center you should give. So far we have created only 2 profit centers. One is dummy, another one is PC. So just give the profit center. If you know the profit center code, directly type, or else always you have an option to select from the system. So to select from the system, click on this drop down button, give the controlling area, give the controlling area, press enter, press enter, and double click on profit center HS1 high segment. profit center, high segment 1. Clear so far?
Yeah.
So click on save, press enter, and get the message data was saved. Get the message data was saved. Get the message data was saved. Next step. Step number 2. Process sales revenue. Using F-02. Let me take an amount as well. Process sales revenue of rupees 1 lakh. Let us say 1 lakh. Using F-02 and check whether the profit center is defaulted or not. Defaulted means automatic pickup. Okay, so
Yes.
yeah, so step description: process sales revenue of rupees 1 lakh using F-02 and check whether the profit center is defaulted or not. So give F-02 in the command box. Give F-02 in the command box. Press enter. Give the document date, today's date. Document type SA. Company code MMI1. Posting date, today's date. Posting period is 5. Currency INR. Posting key 40 and give 1 lakh 1 cash GL account. Press enter. Give the amount 1 lakh as mentioned in the step description. You can, while practicing, you can take your own amount, need not be 1 lakh. Then give the text sales revenue, cash sales processing to the profit center. Cash sales, that means we have sold goods on cash basis, not on credit basis. We sold goods, immediately we have received cash. Then posting key 50. And give the sales GL account 4 lakhs 2. Please do remember 4 lakhs 2 is a sales GL account in finance module, and 4 lakhs 2 is a revenue element in controlling and profit center accounting module. Okay,
Yeah.
right. So posting key 50, account 4 lakhs 2, press enter. Write down, press enter. So the point we need to observe here is, as soon as we press enter, we need to check whether profit center is automatically picked up or not. Let us see. So observe, right now I'm pressing on enter. So I'm pressing enter. See, profit center field has been picked up. Automatically profit center has come. Visible?
Yes.
Okay. So we have not given this profit center manually. System has picked up profit center automatically. So give star in amount field, plus in text field, give star in amount field, plus in text field. Click on document on the main menu. Click on document on the main menu. Click on simulate. Click on simulate. Ignore the warning message. Ignore the warning message. Press enter. Ignore the warning message. Press enter. Click on save or post. Click on post. So that means this 1 lakh must have been processed to profit center, correct?
Yeah.
Let us go and check. Step 3. Display profit center balance using KE5Z. Yesterday I have shown this, right?
Yeah.
So display profit center balance using KE5Z. So give KE5Z. Again, I'm not giving the path because yesterday I have given you the path. So directly I'm going with the transaction code. So give KE5Z in the command box. Give KE5Z in the command box. Press enter. Give the record type 0, version 0, controlling area, our controlling area MMI1, company code MMI1, posting period 5, fiscal year 2019, and profit center PCHS1, PCHS1, profit center high segment 1. Click on execute. Click on execute. See, 1 lakh got processed, right?
Yeah.
So yesterday we have processed revenue 50,000. Today we have processed revenue 1 lakh. So therefore, against this profit center, the total revenue is 1,50,000. This 1,50,000 is not the profit. It is revenue, correct?
Yes.
How can we get the profit? From this revenue, we need to deduct the expenses, correct?
Yeah.
So we need to, by deducting expenses from the sales revenue, we will get the profit. Means expenses are also should be processed in profit center accounting, correct?
Yeah.
So by processing expenses into profit center, expenses data will be available in profit center, sales revenue will be available in profit center. Therefore, profit center will match sales revenue with expenses, and it will give us the end result, either profit or loss. Point is clear?
Yeah.
So now, so far we have seen processing revenue into profit center. Now we have to see processing expenses into profit center. Okay, so put the heading. Next, sixth one, expenses oblique cost posting to the profit center, to the profit center, to the profit center, to the profit center. In this, take step number 1. Step number 1. See, listen to me carefully. We are trying to process expenses, nothing but cost, to the profit center. Clear so far?
Yeah.
But though I am saying that processing expenses cost to the profit center, directly we never ever process expenses or cost to the profit center. In general, what will happen is we process expenses or costs in finance module. Whatever the expenses that got processed in finance module automatically gets updated in controlling module, also automatically gets updated in profit center accounting module. Clear?
Yeah.
But for that we need to do some settings. What are those settings? Let us see. Only one setting. So step number one, assign profit center assign profit center in cost center using KS02. Assign profit center in cost center using KS02 for processing the expenses into profit center as and when the expenses are processed to the cost center. I repeat the step description once again. Assign profit center in cost center using KS02 for processing the expenses into profit center automatically as and when the expenses are processed to the cost center. That means as and when we are processing expenses to the cost center, whatever the expenses processed into the cost center, the same expenses automatically gets processed to the profit center. Understood, Manisha?
Yeah.
Right now, so take down the, let us see how it will be done. So give KS02 in the command box. Give KS02 in the command box. Before giving KS02, just I would like to show you cost center standard hierarchy, not profit center standard hierarchy, cost center standard hierarchy. Let us see what are all the cost centers we have. These are all the cost centers so far we have created. MACH PREA1, MACH PREA2, production 1, production 2, production 3. Okay, right?
Yeah.
So we can take any one cost center. In the step description, just I am mentioning production 1, PRODN1 cost center for understanding the concept sake. Okay, I would like to assign profit center in production 1 cost center so that as and when we process expenses to the production 1 cost center, the expenses processed in production 1 cost center automatically gets updated in profit center as well. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, so give KS02 in the command box. Give KS02 in the command box. Press enter. So give the cost center production 1. Give the cost center, need not be production 1, you can take any cost center, but in real time during the implementation the relevant cost center shall be taken. Okay, right. So production 1, press enter. But before pressing enter, look at the screen name. It says change cost center, correct?
Yes.
That means already there is a cost center called production 1 is existing with some details. Now we are making some changes. Changes can be additions or deletions, whatever it is. Okay, some modifications to the existing data. Okay, so give cost center production 1, press enter, press enter. So you can see here profit center in the bottom visible.
Yes.
So here assign the profit center. If you know the profit center code directly you can type, or else always you have an option to select from the drop down. So I'm going with the drop down button. So click on drop down button, give the controlling area, press enter, press enter. How many profit center you are able to see here? Two profit
2.
centers. Okay,
Yeah.
so remember here very carefully, dummy profit center shall not be assigned under any circumstance in any of the cost centers. Remember please, I repeat, dummy profit center will never ever shall have to be assigned in any of the cost centers. Getting my point? Why
Yeah.
it should be like that, I'll explain bit later. Okay, so now I'm as a double click on profit center HS1. So double click on profit center HS1. See, I mentioned dummy profit center shall not be assigned in any cost center. This is an interview point. It shall not be assigned. I'll tell you the reason bit later. Okay, so double click on profit center HS1. Click on save. Click on save. As soon as you click on save, system is giving some message. Let us read that. Field changes to field profit center lead to complicated test of the data involved, which may take some time. Do you really want to carry out field changes online? Click on yes. Click on yes. And get the warning message. Please note on the message. Get the warning message. Check consistency of field. Check consistency of field as transaction data already exists. As transaction data already exists. Get the warning message. Check consistency of field, comma, as transaction data already exists. Ignore the warning message. Ignore the warning message. Press enter. And get the message cost center has been changed. Get the message cost center has been changed. Cost center has been changed. Okay, done. We are done with this step. So what we have done is we have assigned cost profit center in the cost center. Just I'll show you. See, in cost center production 1, we have assigned profit center. Clear?
Yes.
So if we process any expenses to this to this cost center production 1, the expenses processed to this cost center automatically will be processed in profit center. Let us check that whether that will happen or not. Okay, so take step number 2. Hope you are with me.
Yes.
Okay, step number 2. Process which expenses let us process. Just 1 second. Let us process rent. Okay, just for example sake, understanding sake. So process rent to the cost center, production 1, PRODN1, using F-02. Just process rent of rupees 40,000. You can take your own amount. Just I'm taking 40,000 to the cost center production 1 using F-02. Manish, I have a question here. See, when we have these many cost centers, why we are specifically trying to post expenses to production one only? Why not to others?
Because right now we did setting for production one. In that cost
Production.
center we are
Yeah.
setting profit center.
Correct. That is what we need to observe and we need to understand. Okay, right. So process rent of rupees 40,000 to the cost center production one using f-02. So give f-02 in the command box. Give f-02 in the command box. Press enter. Press enter. Give the document date. Give the document date. Document type SA. Document type SA. Company code MMI1. Company code MMI1. Posting date today's date. Posting date today's date. Posting period 5. Posting period 5. Currency INR. Currency INR. Then posting key 40. Debit GL account. Posting key 40. And which expenses we are trying to process? Rent, right?
Rent.
Rent. Clearly I will mention in the description. Rent expenses for your clarity sake. So rent means 3 lakh 1. So give 3 lakh 1 rent GL account. See, this rent is a GL expense related GL account in finance module, and the same rent 3 lakh 1 is a cost element in controlling module. Correct?
Yeah.
Okay, right. So posting key 40. Give the account 3 lakh 1. Press enter. Press enter. Give the amount 40,000. Give the amount 40,000 as mentioned in the step description. 40,000. Remove, write down carefully. Remove the cost center which is defaulted. Remove the cost center which is defaulted and give the cost center production one, PRODN-1. PRODN-1. One second. G004. Okay. Just before that, before step number 2, take another step. Step number 2. Step number 2. Change the field status for to simplify the concept. I'm adding this step, please. Change the field status. Sorry, change the status of field CO/PP order. Change the status of field COPP order from required to optional for the field status group G004. Change the status of field CO/PP order from required to optional for the field status group G004 using OBC4. Using OBC4. Just to avoid some complications for you, I'm adding this step. So give OBC4 in the command box. OBC4 in the command box. Press enter. Press enter. Click on position. Click on position. Give the field status variant MMI1. Give the field status variant MMI1. Press enter. Press enter. Select field status variant MMI1 with color. Select field status variant MMI1 with color. So double click on field status groups on the left side. Visible?
Yes.
So double click, write down carefully. Double click on field status groups on the left side. Then double click on field status group G004 cost accounts. Write down carefully. I said double click on field status group G004 cost accounts. Double click on G004 cost accounts. Continuation. Double click on additional account assignments. Double click on additional account assignments. Second option, second one. Double click on additional account assignments. See, look at here. COPP order. What is the status? Required entry, right? Mandatory field.
Yes.
So write down carefully. Select optional entry radio button. Select optional entry radio button. Select optional entry radio button for the field CO/PP order. Select optional entry radio button for the field CO/PP order. Click on save. Click on save. Click on save. Press enter. Press enter. And get the message data was saved. Get the message data was saved. Clear?
Yes.
Right. Now come to the step number 3. Process rent expenses of rupees 40,000 to the cost center production 1 using F-02. Process rent expenses of rupees 40,000 to the cost center production 1 using F-02. So give F-02 in the command box. Give F-02 in the command box. Give F-02 in the command box. Press enter. Press enter. Give the document date. Give the document date. Give the document date. Document type SA. Document type SA. Company code MMI1. company code MMI1, posting date today's date, posting date today's date, posting period 5, posting period 5, currency INR, currency INR, currency INR, then posting key 40, posting key 40, and 3,01,000 rent GL account, rent expenses GL account, as per the step description. So as I was mentioning earlier, now also I'm mentioning 3,01,000 is a expense related GL account in finance module as well as cost element in controlling module. Clear?
Yeah.
Right. So give posting key 40 and account 3,01,000, a rent expense GL account, press enter, give the amount 40,000, 40,000, amount 40,000, and give the cost, remove the existing cost center, remove the existing cost center, remove the existing cost center, and give production 1 cost center, give production 1 cost center, and give the text rent processing, rent processing, rent processing. To which cost center we are processing?
Production 1.
Production 1. As we are processing rent expenses to production 1, the same rent expenses also should get processed in profit center accounting, correct?
Yeah.
Okay, that we won't see right now, we will see, we will check up, we will ensure that in next step. So production 1 rent processing, posting key 50, 1,01,000, posting key 50, 1,01,000, press enter, give star in amount field, plus in text field, give star in amount field, plus in text field, click on document on the main menu, click on simulate, click on document on main menu, click on simulate, click on post, click on post. Right. So we have processed the expenses to cost center production 1. Now we have to ensure that whether the same expenses also got processed in profit center or not. We need to check that, correct?
Yeah.
Step number 4, display profit center balance using KE5Z and check whether the rent expenses processed to the production 1 cost center also got processed in profit center or not. Profit center or not. Profit center or not. Okay. Understood?
Yeah.
Okay. So give KE5Z in the command box. KE5Z in the command box. Press enter. Press enter. Give the record type 0, version 0. Give the record type 0, version 0. Controlling area MMI1. Company code MMI1. Posting period 5. Posting period 5. Fiscal year 2019. Fiscal year 2019. And give the profit center PCHS1. Give the profit center PCHS1. Okay. Click on execute. Click on execute. Click on execute. See,
Yes.
got processed,
Yeah.
and it is showing the whether it is showing 1,50,000 or 1,10,000 balance. 1,10,000, correct? 1,10,000
Yes.
visible. Okay, that
Yeah.
means what profit center has done? Profit center has matched sales revenue with expenses, and it is showing the net figure.
Okay.
Correct? Right. So this is what is profit center. But we have also created one more profit center called dummy profit center, right? If we see the profit center standard hierarchy, there is a profit center called dummy profit center, right? What is the importance of dummy profit center? This is something very important. Okay, so let us take this as a separate topic. Seventh one. This is something very important, Manisha. Importance of dummy profit center. Importance of dummy profit center. Importance of dummy profit center. Right. So before explaining theoretically what is importance of dummy profit center, just let me show you how many profit centers we have totally so far.
2.
2 profit centers. One is PCHS1, another one is dummy, correct? Now,
Yes.
let me show you. Cost center standard hierarchy, let us see. See, we have totally how many cost centers? We have machine 1, machine 2, production 1, production 2, production 3, service 1, service 2 cost centers. Totally we have we are with 7 cost centers, correct?
Yes.
So we have assigned this profit center PCHS1 under production 1 cost center, correct?
Yeah.
But the same profit center was not assigned in production 2, production 3, A1, A2, service 1 and service 2, correct?
Yeah.
Right? Suppose let us say, let me give a theoretical example. See, sales revenue, just to understand the importance of dummy profit center, I'm taking an illustration as an example. If you want, you can write down in your notes as well. Sales revenue, let's say rupees 5 lakhs, assume like that. Okay, then rent expenses incurred by production 1 cost center. How much? Let me take, let's say 50,000, right? What is the sales revenue? 5 lakhs. What is the rent expenses? 50,000. Okay.
Yeah.
See, we have a revenue of 5 lakhs and we have an expenses of 50,000. Are we left over with profit or loss?
Profit.
How much?
4,50,000.
Okay. Assume that you have processed the sales revenue to profit center. 5 lakhs you have processed to profit center. So therefore your profit center will show a sales revenue of your 5 lakhs, correct?
Yeah.
Next, you have processed this rent expenses to production 1. As you have processed these expenses to production 1, and in this production 1, as we have assigned profit center, this 50,000 also gets processed in profit center, correct?
Yeah.
Therefore profit center will give us a profit of 4,50,000. Clearly understood?
Yeah.
I repeat, we have processed this 50,000 expenses to production 1 cost center. As production 1 cost center is being assigned with profit center, this 50,000 also gets processed in profit center. Therefore profit center will give us profit of 4,50,000 in this illustration, correct?
Yeah.
But assume rent expenses incurred by production 2 cost center rupees 40,000. See, look at here. Now the scenario, I have added one more thing. Sales revenue 5 lakhs, rent expenses incurred by production 1 50,000, rent expenses incurred by production 2 cost center 40,000. Now what is my total revenue?
5 lakh.
What is my total expenses or total cost?
For one cost center or for
No. See, try to understand my question. I did not ask cost with respect to a particular cost center. I'm asking what is my total expenses?
90,000.
Okay. See, my total revenue is 5 lakhs. My total cost is 90,000. That is 50 plus 40. Then what is my profit amount? 4 lakhs 10,000.
4,10,000. Yeah.
So how you got 4 lakh 10,000? 5 lakhs minus 50,000 plus 40,000.
90. Yeah.
5 lakhs minus 90,000.
Yeah.
That means profit must be 4 lakh 10,000. Here profit is equals to sales revenue rupees 5 lakhs minus cost, that is rupees 50,000 plus rupees 40,000, correct?
Yeah.
Therefore profit is equal to, therefore profit is equals to rupees 4 lakhs 10,000, correct?
Yeah.
But observe here, if you see production 2 cost center, just I'll show you. This is production 2 cost center. Are you able to see any profit center in production 2 cost center?
No. No.
then in that case, as there is no profit center assigned in cost center 2, the expenses processed to production to cost center will not be floated, will not be processed in profit center accounting, correct?
Yeah.
But if that means this 40,000 will not get processed in profit center accounting, correct?
Yeah.
But if this 40,000 is not getting processed in profit center accounting, then profit shall not be 4,10,000, rather it shall be 4,50,000, correct? Understood or not?
Yes.
Okay, but though there is no profit center assigned in production to cost center, though there is no profit center assigned in production to cost center, the expenses processed in production to as well gets processed in profit center accounting. How? Whatever the expenses we process in production to automatically gets processed in dummy profit center. Clear?
Yeah.
That means dummy profit center will ensure capturing of entire expenses incurred by the organization. Dummy profit center will facilitate capturing of entire expenses, entire cost incurred by the organization, so that by facilitating capturing of entire expenses incurred, profit center accounting will be able to give us the correct profit, that is 4,10,000, correct?
Yeah.
In this scenario, our profit is not 4,50,000, it is 4,10,000, because our expenses are 90,000, not only 50,000, correct?
Yeah.
Right? See, what is the purpose of profit center accounting provided by SAP? By implementing profit center accounting in the system in an organization, profit center accounting module shall give the information of correct profit or correct loss. Okay, profit center accounting shall provide the correct information with respect to profit or loss. So providing correct information, giving correct information about profit or loss can be achieved with the help of dummy profit center. Getting my point?
Yes.
That means the purpose of profit center accounting module will be completely completed with the help of dummy profit center. What I mean to say is, if we have not created any dummy profit center, this 40,000 must not have been captured, correct?
Yeah. Right.
So that is the importance of the dummy profit center. I hope I'm clear with my explanation.
Yes.
So I will show you practically as well, but before showing the practicality, just take down some points. Dummy profit center will complete the purpose of profit center accounting, that is PCA. The short form of profit center accounting is PCA. Okay, next point. dummy profit center will ensure capturing of all expenses into the profit center accounting. Dummy profit center will ensure capturing of all expenses into the profit center accounting, thereby it facilitates in knowing, facilitates management in knowing the correct picture of profit oblique loss, profit oblique loss. One second, please. Dummy profit center will ensure capturing of all expenses into the profit center accounting. Thereby, it facilitates management or organization in knowing the correct picture of profit or loss. Understood, Manisha, clearly?
Yeah.
Now, so let us check with the steps. Okay. Now, step number 1. Process expenses to the production to cost center. Let me take like this: process salaries expenses of rupees 20,000 to the production to cost center, in which no profit center is assigned. Correct?
Yes.
So process salaries expenses of rupees 2 lakhs using F-02 to the production to cost center, in which no profit center is assigned. So give, before going to F-02, again I'm showing production to no profit center. Just I'm ensuring. Okay, right. So give F-02 in the command box. Press enter. Document date, today's date. Document type SA. Company code MMI1. Posting date, today's date. Posting period 5. Currency INR. Posting key 40. And salaries 3 lakhs 2, right?
Yeah.
3 lakhs 2. One second. Yeah. 3 lakhs 2. Give the salaries GL account 3 lakhs 2. You can give any expense. Just I'm taking salaries just for understanding sake. Press enter. What is the amount which I have given in the description? 20,000. 20,000. Write down carefully. Remove the cost center which is defaulted. And give cost center production 2. Clear, right?
Yes.
Okay. Text. Salaries processing. Posting key 50. 1 lakh 1 cash GL account. Press enter. Give star in amount field plus in text field. Manisha, to which cost center we are processing?
Production 2.
Production 2. Does it have any profit center assigned?
No. No.
No. Okay. See, it doesn't have any profit center assigned. Okay.
Yeah. Hmm.
As it doesn't have any profit center assigned and we are processing expenses to production to cost center, the expenses processed in this production to cost center will go and update in which profit center?
Dummy. Dummy
Dummy.
profit center.
Okay. Yeah, that is what we need to understand. So give amount in star in amount field, plus in text field, click on document, click on simulate, click on simulate, click on post, click on post. Now we need to check whether these expenses got posted to dummy profit center or not. Correct?
Yeah.
Step number 2, display dummy profit center balance using KE5Z and ensure that the expenses processed to the cost center PRODN 2 in which no profit center is being assigned is assigned. I should not give this much spoon feeding actually. So just for your clarity sake only I am giving. Display dummy profit center balance using KE5Z and ensure that the expenses processed to the cost center production 2 in which no profit center is assigned got processed in dummy profit center. Dummy profit center. So my intention is not just to give the step description, rather I would like to mention the purpose and concept behind dummy profit center in the step description itself. The real-time usage of dummy profit center, the real-time requirement of dummy profit center, I would like to give in the step description. Clear?
Yes.
Right. So I repeat once again, step description: display dummy profit center balance using KE5Z and ensure that the expenses processed to the cost center production 2 in which no profit center is assigned got processed in dummy profit center. So give KE5Z in the command box. KE5Z in the command box, press enter. Give the record type 0, version 0, controlling area MMI1, company code MMI1, posting period 5, record type 0, version 0, controlling area MMI1, company code MMI1, posting period 5, fiscal year 2019, fiscal year 2019, and profit center. Which profit center I should give?
Dummy.
Dummy, dummy, dummy. Click on execute. Click on execute. See,
Yeah.
suppose assume if we have not created a dummy profit center, will these be captured in profit center accounting? Will these 20,000 be
No.
captured? No, definitely not. That means in that case, whatever the entire profit, overall profit given by the system will not be the correct profit, correct?
Yeah.
So, I hope you understood the importance of dummy profit center,
Yeah.
right? So just let me show you. Just let me, here let us give other profit center as well. See, 90,000.
Yeah. Net amount.
Okay, because 150 minus 60, 90,000. If there is no dummy profit center, this would not have been 90,000. This would have been 1,10,000, which is not correct profit.
Yeah.
Right? So this is what is profit center accounting and the importance of dummy profit center. Right? So next topic, put the heading integration of finance FI module with material management module. Material management, that is MM module. Okay, so I would like to stop the session right now itself. We'll continue integration topic from tomorrow onwards.
Okay.
Right? So I'm stopping the session and have a nice time, please.
Thank you.
Yeah, welcome.